it's officially winter. I've got my big stupid green coat on. And we're almost done this Mazda. I need a brake line fitting I don't have. So I'm going to cap that for the night, then I'm going to vacuum this car out. Helps if you plug the vacuum in. Is there a secret handshake with this shop vac I don't know about?
Yeah, it's gonna keep plugging.
Seriously? There we go. Last thing we're going to do is give it a quick clean with some of this Hot Wheels detailer. So I'm on the back road of the shop. I'm driving Pauline's Mazda for the first time since I did all the repairs. This road is dirt. It's made, there's not many houses on it, and it is very rough. Car feels really good. Brakes good, everything's good. I'm taking it down to my buddy's shop right now. He's gonna put the winter tires on, and then I can deliver it. Then it's pretty much done. What a great little car. I'm hoping the windshield clears before I get to the highway. I'm going to get him to bleed the brakes while it's on his hoist, I think. I hate bleeding brakes on the ground, and our hoist is tied up with a square body right now. Because we're not a regular garage. We're a hot rod shop. I just remembered I don't have a plate on this. Because she's supposed to get her registration today. And she doesn't live in this town. Whoops. Alright, I'm in rural Nova Scotia and there's literally no one around. And I'm going like 1.5 kilometers. I don't condone this, but I also haven't had coffee yet, so yeah, I forgot to slap a plate on it. That's my bad. Come get me, RCMP! Well, we're pretty much done on Pauline's Mazda. I'm gonna bleed the brakes one last time just to get a firmer pedal, and hopefully that's it. Took it for a drive, feels good. Brake's a little bit squishier than I like it to be, so I'll deal with that right now. Reset the e-brake, and we're all good. All right, give her a few pumps.
Okay, holding.
Yeah, that's a lot of air. Give her a couple more. I got a big air bubble I'm chasing. Yeah, give her a couple more. That's pure fluid, buddy. I'm calling it done. It's got the winners on, its brakes are done, the rattle's fixed, everything else is pretty much taken care of. It fought me a little bit. Older cars on the East Coast are definitely gonna fight. That left caliper, rear left caliper, was a nightmare. I still gotta do an e-brake when it comes in. Not really worried about that, it's an automatic again. Probably never had the e-brake on in its life. And waiting on the GPS, waiting on the camera. When they show up, I might do another video on that. It's got its winners on, all the wheels are torqued, it's happy. The car's happy. It's a perfect, well, not perfect, but it's a good, little, reliable car for her. This will do. This is a wicked little car. If you like Mazda 3s, I would recommend maybe picking up a decent one, something like this if you can. I really, as long as it's taken care of and it's not rotten, I don't see any problem with them. They're a little bit of a headache to work on in some spots, but they're a fun little car. All in, parts and labor. Actually, well, I did this for free because I'm a sucker. So I'll put the total right around here somewhere. Maybe. Yeah. Perfectly reconditioned, safe little car for her. This has been Slightly Cross-Threaded. Thanks for tuning in. Join us again for a whole bunch more shenanigans. I'll be back on the Marlins. Well, now it's one Marlin because I ripped the blue one apart. I got my F100 to do. I got to do a video on my Stagia, which is getting a twin turbo LS swap. My F100's getting a boosted 4.6. And at some point I might, if the customers are okay, I might get some video of some stuff in the shop that we're building for other customers. I don't like doing that because it's not my personal stuff or the owner of the shop's personal stuff, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Y'all have a good one.